Hey everybody, Cam Mayville here with the Rug Room Live in the Rug Room. You know me, I love rugs, absolutely just love them. And, through the years, I've had things happen and you got to find someone to, help you and take care of you, whatever the case is. In the last couple of years, I've been going to this person. We've had, a couple little things happen. When the job came back and some dyeing had to be done, this person did just it was just amazing job. But this is what really impressed me. Have a client down in Florida, and they had something go wrong. It happens to all of us. I don't care how good you are. And this person was really working. One of the better clients, and something new they were doing. And when they called me up, they said, "Who do I go to?" I said, "Look, let me make a phone call right away for you." I called Issa Hoker up right away, and she said, "Cam," I said, "Sure." She got in touch with this person, got the rug fixed in. I believe it was under 24 hours, which is, don't expect that, okay? I mean, this was really cool that she did that. It was a desperate situation, and she stepped up. I love people who give a damn about others and really try to do the right thing. We've been lacking that in the rug dyeing, spot dyeing industry now. Ethics quite hasn't been there. This person, Issa Hoker, I endorse her. Amazing work, really cares. She has classes coming up now. You need to get in touch with her about those classes. She will be there to help you and do the right thing. So if you're looking to get into the rug dyeing business and want to learn how to spot dye to improve your company, get in touch with Issa Hoker. She's on Facebook. She has the DyeBold group. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We wish her and we wish all of you